Hi, this is attorney Nicole Christie from the Christie Law Firm, where we work hard to make families stronger. So this is my second installment. It's not a long series, but I just wanted to follow up with you now that you have your kids back. In the previous video, we talked about what happens when the kids do return. And now that you have your kids back, my biggest and best advice to you is simply keep them. Do not allow DCF to be able to come back into your home and try to remove your kids again. And the best way to avoid that is if you recognize things are going on with you, you take the necessary steps to deal with it yourself and not let DCF have to become involved. So if you feel like your mental health is not where it used to be or not where you would like it to be, you feel stressors and you need help, find your service providers. Go back to the ones that you were working with. If you feel like, your urges around substance abuse is getting a little stronger, or some people are, starting to influence you in a certain way, go get help. Get the relapse prevention type programs, or, you can get yourself into your own programs. You do not need DCF to do that. Make sure that you keep enough supports around you. Have positive people in your family. If you know someone's coming with the negativity, someone's gonna, bring in some influence that's just not good for you, not good for your kids, it's okay to cut them off. There is a video on Facebook, and I can't remember the person's name, but her title of the song that she made up herself is "Blocking You Blesses Me." And so keep that in mind. If somebody is not being helpful to you, somebody's going to deter you from being able to be that person that you need to be for your kids, get rid of them. Get them out of your life. Block them. Get them off of your Facebook, get them out of your phone book. Do whatever you need to do so that you can keep your kids. The last thing you want to do is have DCF come back in and have to remove them a second time. It is almost impossible to get them back after that. At that point, they're just ready to move on to something else. So I'm not doing this to scare you. I'm not doing that to concern you, but just so that you're aware, DCF does not forget people's history. If it's 20 years ago, it's still in their system. So you don't want them to raise your history against you. Just keep them out of your life, but take care of yourself as you're taking care of your family. And if you are someone who was able to get your children back, congratulations. If you are someone fighting to get your children back, do not give up. Keep fighting, keep cooperating, keep doing what you need to do so that you can get your children back. And we do have other videos. Please check them out, other series that we do, because our goal is to help you being able to keep your kids, be able to raise your children, because they are gifts. They're the gifts that God gave you, and we want you to be able to take very good care of your gifts. Take care until the next time.